Mary Sanju, and today I'm going to show you the Turtle Rehabilitation Center.
Never had an experience like this. I feel like a queen and I'm inside a palace, and there are so many people, and it's like a palace only. The doors are like that, and in the same time it's like a mall because there are so many shops inside, like this Mrs. Lounge here and the door to the store, and there are so many types of places like the beach, the Turtle Rehabilitation Center, so many things. I have to explore them. Let's go and explore one of them now and then just move on. I was so shocked to see the turtles decreasing in number. There are 7 species, and they are the most majestic creatures I've seen in marine life. They can live up to 100 years. It's so fascinating. So let's go and see some turtles and how they are getting affected when we pollute the oceans, and they eat plastic thinking it is jellyfish. So let's see how they choke and do the surgery, and let's see how they will release the turtles into the water. Let's go! Some facts about the turtles are the green turtle, the name comes from their shell. There is a fat line in green color, that's how they got the name green turtles. And the majority of the turtles, they grow till 30 years. One of the threats is the waste material, and they are getting stuck through material like plastic. So those who are watching my vlog, please just see how is it affecting the turtles, and think about it, what we are going to do and what we should do to save the turtles.
so many restaurants and apartments around me, as you can see. And there is water. It's like a lagoon, but I can't see the turtles. I don't know where they are. So let's move on and see. Catching pictures, and there are boards like this about different types of turtle. In this board it is showing hawksbill turtle, and in this picture it is showing how they are suffering. These are plastic and it is stuck to their shells and it is making them sick, and they are helping them to take care and release them into the water well and without any diseases. Almost 50 turtles they have released, but only a few are here. That's why we can assume that those many turtles have been released. So this is the rehabilitation center.
This turtle is, his one flipper is so tiny, he cannot swim very well. That's why he's put in here. Oh, so sad, he's not able to move. Because one flipper is big and one flipper is small, so only the one side is moving and the other side is not. So he's only moving one direction instead of moving straight. He's struggling to move. It's so sad to watch. But still he's trying. That's the only thing I like it. So sad. I think it is because when the plastic got hold of his flipper, I think it cut his flipper into two. So one flipper is okay and the other flipper is not. So sad. I'm so sad for them. This is what happens if you throw waste into the water. You're hurting these poor animals.
Make sure if you see any plastic or waste near the marine life, take it out and throw it in the bin, and save and vote for the turtles. queen. And if you ever find waste material in the ocean, then you should definitely pick it up and throw it in the bin and save the marine animals. Bye bye. Subscribe and like.